Yes, God. Yes.
Jesus, praise the Lord.
Yes, God.
Hallelujah, God.
Yes.
We don't want no devils in the house.
Yes,
We
Lord.
want the Lord.
Yes,
That's
Jesus.
it.
Yes. Yes.
What's going on, guys? Al Napa. V-Day, Valentine's Day. I saw a thing from, I love basketball. It was really funny. It was like, ball is life. Let's see if I can bring it up for you guys. You know, I've just been checking the shit. Let's see if I can bring it up for you guys. Hello, basketball TV. This is like baller status right here, dude. When you know what you want, dude. Heartbreak, but ball is love, dude. So yeah, I just wanted to get some views for you guys. Just some thoughts on Valentine's Day. Just amazing views. You know, if there's a glare, just open the window, man. Just let life in, dude. Open the door for yourself. Let yourself be what you want to get, right? I think a lot of people see stuff in like social media or even and they're like, yo, like that person has what I don't have. And instead of worrying what you don't have, why don't you worry on what you want to have? Or focus on what you want, right? So it doesn't matter who has what, you never know what anyone's going through, right? So I was playing ball yesterday and literally the team I was versing, some guy I play with, I was just like, yo man, look alive, Drake, right? And look alive, Drake, right? And like the people on his team was saying that too. And I was like, bro, dude, everyone's dealing with shit. And his response was, no, it's like, you're not dealing with shit. And no one like, you know, and it's like, man, right? No one takes the foresight to see that everyone is dealing with shit. Like Derrick Rose story, man. Everyone's dealing with something, right? But the way that I found to operate in life that has served me well is if someone else is doing it, then it's possible for you. And that came from like people need to understand how long I've been in this game for. So now you guys are seeing it because I've overcome a shit that I was dealing with, which was like imposter theory, right? Like, am I it or am I not it? And it's basically just deciding like, yeah, I am. I am because I try and I'm gonna keep trying. And so when I say baller status, there's this idea where everyone could be a baller. But I say this purposely and tactfully. Not everyone can be a baller. Not everyone's gonna have a jump shot. Not everyone's gonna be a good passer. But there is a role that you could play on the team that is your role that you're supposed to play. And that's it. I mean, some people think they can do everything. Go try to do everything, right? I mean, if it's like, you know, the last person to do everything was Leonardo da Vinci. And he fucking was like the med guy. He drew cool shit. Was like making cool philosophy. So that's it, guys. Like to me, understanding that, man, like I've been crafting some copy. Like, I don't think you guys understand the levels of the game is to like I'm saying I work with sales team and I also create my own sales copy because I think it's fun, right? It's like just focus on what's fun. Just do what's fun. When things aren't fun anymore, like you will grow and do other fun things, right? Like, dude, like right here, MJ or Kobe, you know what I'm saying? MJ or Kobe. Where's the focus, man? Where's the focus on the camera? Or execution is key. It's like whatever you tell yourself, whatever you see in life is what's possible. And it's not my role to make you perceive the things, right? Just you have to be aware of yourself. You have to put in the effort and the time to decide what is real and what is not real, right? So in and of itself, I've met a lot of people who just don't have the faith to believe in their work ethic or to believe in themselves. And I say this on like Valentine's Day because you have to understand, like, some people don't have boyfriend, girlfriends. Some people would easily trade the spot that they're in now to go to another spot. And in the same time, some people are in a relationship and would rather not be. Like, just decide. I'm not saying it is what it is. Like, people judge on a thing that, in my opinion, is just society and and biology. Like just look it up, man. There's a lot of things. I was talking about my parents. I was talking to Gabe, my brother, who's a philosophy major, my brother Brian, who studies history. Like, this is where I get my info from, right? People who've studied stuff, and I just ask them, yo, what did you learn from history? Right? So in and of itself, rocking fadeaway fitness. It's just some stuff I want to draw out for you guys in the basketball group, Facebook group. Everything is perspective, and everything is how people perceive it, right? If you are doing good and you have good intentions in your heart and you perceive that, keep trying, keep doing good, right? But sometimes check yourself, because in and of itself, it's hard to understand the full picture. So as Drake says, God's plan. Or not just God's plan, but he also says like other power at play. I can't even rap the song right now, but that's just all I've been listening to all day, is like, you gotta learn how to earn or whatever the fuck, right? So hope that helped you guys in the Ballers group. Hope you guys have, like, just really understand the time that you're having, appreciate that time. Every moment passes, but at least if time passes anyways, you might as well be the wokest you could be. And then I say that in a meme way, but also in the realest sense, right? Like, I've been saying, don't let your dreams be memes for a long time.
Okay, so this kid got into my car, and I was like, I wasn't even gonna, you want to know something really funny?
You weren't gonna pick me up?
I already canceled 2 rides before you because Sunset was just so hectic.
Okay.
And I had to make a U-turn to come to you. So
Oh,
do
shit.
I even want to do this? Do I even want to go get this ride? But you know what? I accepted it, and I picked you up.
And this
the
fucking
first
shit
thing you said was, I was like, how was your day? And you were like, my day was ...
Primo, Cafe Primo, shameless plug for Cafe Primo.
It was fate, for real, and I believe in everything you're saying, and it's amazing how things work, but you just gotta follow your heart and follow your gut, and
Don't let your dreams be memes. So yeah, I'm gonna keep spitting on. If you guys look into what memes mean, not in the Reddit sense, but in the where it originates, you would see the book I'm talking about. And among other things, I think a cool thing I was talking to my brother is gene memory, gene expression. I mean, just look it up, right? The reason I say that is, like, in my opinion, the ballers who are gonna ball out in life are going to look it up. And if you don't look it up, then you're not a baller, right? Baller has to stand for something. There's a reason I'm choosing baller. Not everyone's gonna be a baller in life. It's not my fault. You just decide. If you're gonna be a baller or not, go put in the work ethic to do it. If you're not, then go do whatever the fuck you want to do. Like, I don't give a fuck, right? That's the point. I'm attracting people that I want to attract, and not attracting people that I don't want to attract. And I think in my own mind and also in life, it was like, sometimes you get this mentality, you can't help everyone, but maybe people are supposed to help themselves, and I'm not supposed to help everyone. I'm supposed to help my group, the people that I'm supposed to help, and in it, understand and have faith that the people I help in my group will help others. This is what I talk about. I don't post my consultation sessions online anymore, because it's like, not everyone's supposed to see this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I tell them along the lines, like, dude, what happened to me in basketball, you could be that guy for the next person. Like, you have to understand, I went to a basketball clinic at 24 years old to get better at basketball. Not in middle school, not in high school, not in college. After I was working a desk job, just like some of you guys. And I'm saying, if you want this life, right, even this place, it's not my place, it's my friend's place, but I live here, so like, understand the difference. Like, if you have a situation to live in a cool place, go do it if you want to, right? Like, for some reason, people have this concept where you have to own. But when you have a business, it's like, well, everything should be a business expense. There's no need to even own a house if you fucking do it in a business. If you go understand business and go look up some of the strategies you could do in a living situation, and just by owning an LLC, you'll fucking crush it. And at least just have that mindset to go look it up. If you don't have that time to look it up, you're not a baller. That's all I could say. So, hope you guys really take time to understand the levels to this game, man. Like, I'm just starting out. Like, right? I only have 900 followers because I'm just starting out. But that's cool, right? And I only have 50. Like, does that make sense? Like, really enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. That's the best advice I got for you guys, man. Trust the process. There's a reason why you're at where you're at. There's something you're supposed to figure out. And then go play the next game. Super hot. VR. It's a good game. Just check it out. Peace.
Yes.
So even though we face the difficulty of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream.